Now this is also amazing. Today, on the 16th July 2025, we have Sipoonkatu, Sipoonkatu 2 here, also in Alppiharju, right? Also here.
Yeah.
Let's close to Vasikapäälle here in Helsinki, as far as Finland. Has been built in 1955 with TMP and 4 fixtures and white columns here. The best two days of our films are is 1952 on Alexis Kivi. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Versus 6366. Entry right. Best is trailers. Could also be in Swedish here.
Yeah.
It's the 10th which we're filming today.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Kone.
I like this one.
Same.
And all the components are right here.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much.